Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. For fireworks, you must be proud of yourself, proud of your municipality, community. We thank millions this year to make this and years of success. It has been over the years, and we pray that every success year continue to make this part of the priority of the people of the Spanish. Sometimes we love it. And fireworks exhibition here taking place today in San Park. Right to 24. And we continue to pray that each and every one of us will live in 2025 and beyond and keep it clean and free. Yes, Thomas is your parish. Once again, creating history. Welcome to the faith of the saints. Welcome to us in the United States. We're the Spanish community. Welcome to the Lord of the city. Welcome to some of our many sponsors. And to your communities. The deck, rollers, clothing and more. Jamaica Drone supplies. Best of Jamaica boys. See what you in bed. That's the yes. Straight bakery. Young son. Practice is not over. Take yourself. Use the ceiling. One stop. Jump from anywhere. Take furniture. Food for the poor. XCD. Runners. Stop for the shop. Get inside the supermarket. Let's get the fireworks. Pioneers of explosives. St. Thomas. We'll see what many people have to journey to walk the world to see. And you have to take the land of the day each year. However, this is hot sun. Things that don't even let us allow. And already let us die. Thank you for the life of your parish. Love your parish. Fireworks. We have the lights of the city. We have the lights of Jamaica. We have the lights of the rock song. Amongst others. So, shut the star. It's time to get it likewise. So the gospel continues. Yes, St. Thomas, give it up, give it up, give it up. Give it up for the man in the municipality community. For giving us Everybody say, that's the point.
price of quiet. I know I'm going to be part. And if you're not going to hear me, and take it all like me, has another reason.
My people, fireworks basically come to an end right now. And the concert part left, you know, the Bigsuper, they're on the ground. So I'll take time and wrap up, you know, and head home. But I hope you enjoy the short little feature where we bring to you guys about the Morant Day lighting at the Christmas tree and the fireworks and everything. Yeah, big up St. Thomas every time. Peace out, people. Peace out.